Are you about to hit that submit button on your HelloRage application? Just wait a minute, because I think there are things that I wish I knew before I sent mine, and I think it could save you from a lot of stress. Hi, I'm Vince, and I am a HelloRage Healthcare Virtual Assistant. And in this video, we will talk about the things that I wish I knew before I submitted my application. I know it's overwhelming. Overwhelming yung shifting from one career to another because there are a lot of things na dapat mong matutunan in a short period of time. And yeah, so I decided na ilista yung mga sana alam ko before I submitted my application, and I wish that it could save you from a lot of stress. So most of the applicant, I think iniisip nila na yung hardest part of this application process ay yung pagkiklik ng submit button wherein na-attach na nila lahat ng requirements nila, no? Oo nga naman, with my experience, napakahirap kasi ang daming requirements na kailangan. NBI, ID diploma, introduction video, napaka-time consuming mag-compile ng lahat ng requirements, no? But, sorry to burst the bubble, but it's not the requirements, no? Yung pag-hit ng submit button, hindi doon natatapos yung hardest part. I think lahat ng process ng HelloRage, no? Super hirap. After you submit your application, magka-qualifying exam ka, you need to study. After nun, mag-i-interview ka. Hindi lang siya interview, meron pang phone handling exam. Tapos after nun, during your training, merong mga certifications na dapat nyong i-prepare. So yung mga bagay na yun, hindi ko siya alam before I submitted my application. Well, may hint na ako, no? Pero hindi ko alam na napakahirap pala pag nandun ka na sa situation na yun. So, I wish, no, na you take some time to go to the website, read everything, learn the role that you are applying for. Kasi when you understand the role, mas makakapag-research ka pa na what are the things that I should know as an admin healthcare virtual assistant, as a live scriber. No, doon yun magsisimula. When you learn these roles and you did your research, madali na lang sa'yo yung mga next steps ng application, yung qualifying exam, yung interview, yung training, kasi may background ka na sa magiging role mo. Second one could be siguro yung mindset, no? Na even though na wala kang experience in this field, kailangan yung mindset mo is strong na you are willing to learn everything na dapat mong matutunan. Just trust the process. Even though, alam mo yun, bumabagsak ka sa mga quizzes, nalilate ka ng submit, ng mga requirements during your training, continue to push yourself. Have a strong mind na kaya mong tapusin yun. No? Yung training process na to. Wag kang masyadong mag-overthink na, alam mo yun, let's say, hindi ka naman, wala ka namang allied, wala kang medical background, but then, may experience ka with BPO and it's really hard for you to comprehend yung mga medical terminologies. It's okay, kasi hindi lang naman ikaw yung dumaan sa process na to. Hindi ka nag-iisa. At marami ng mga walang medical background, yun na-hire naman ng HelloRage. So, kailangan lang talaga ng right mindset, strong mind na you can do it. And lastly, do not compare yourself with other trainees. Magkakaiba kayo ng journey, no? Believe me, even though may mga kasabay ka na applicants na established na sila, marami na silang alam, lagi silang active with recitation, just focus on yourself. Alamin mo yung mga things na dapat mong i-improve sa sarili mo. Focus ka lang with your own self kasi magkakaiba tayo ng journey. And to tell you honestly, may kasabay din akong ibang applicant na hindi naman sila allied health pero may BPO experience. Mas nauna pa silang na-hire sa akin sa admin. So, Yun lang, do not compare your journey with other people kasi magkakaiba tayo ng qualification and balay mo, di ba, mas mauna ka pang ma-hire sa kanila. So, huwag ka masyado mag-overthink. So yeah, I think I already shared three important things na sana alam mo before you submit your application and sana makatulong yun sa'yo sa yung application. And if you have more questions, you can send me a message here on TikTok and yeah, just see you again next time.